In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable IMAP in Yahoo Mail. Now, IMAP is actually active by default in Yahoo Mail, so you do not need to actually turn on any switch to enable it or turn this on. Instead, what you're going to have to do is basically log into your Yahoo account, and you want to go to your Yahoo security page. So just click on this button top right to your, of course, your profile icon, and click on Manage Your Account. When you open Manage Your Account, then in here you want to go to Security, which can be found here on the left. You may have to also log in again or do the 2FA to actually come in here. And when you're inside Security, you want to go to External Connections, scroll down a bit, and you'll see it. And here you want to go to App Passwords. Here inside App Passwords, you then want to go and click on Create App Password. And then whenever you do this, you want to type in a name. So this could be like whatever, type a name for your app. It could be like Outlook, Apple Mail, whatever you want to use. I'm actually going to type in, for example, Outlook over here, and I'm going to click on Generate Password. This is going to give you a password which you can then go ahead and copy, and then whenever you do this, you can just hit the Done button and you have your password over here, which is ready. Now, to actually, of course, customize the incoming IMAP settings and the outgoing SMTP settings for whatever email you are using, the, of course, email provider, you want to go to this page, or you can just screenshot what I'm showing you right now for incoming mail. So IMAP, the server is this over here. You have the port, and then it requires SSL, and then the outgoing mail over here. You can of course see the server port require SSL, and authentication is also required. Okay, and then from here your login info is going to be the email address, the password is going to be what we just generated, and then of course it's going to require the authentication as well. So that's essentially how to enable IMAP. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.